So this is the next thing we're looking at. Is we come to one of the fixtures themselves. We're going to pull up and find the wire. Code is 6 inches deep for wire. This customer has some fabric down. Two things is, number one, obviously, you have the wire coming into the system. These are daisy chained together, and they're using a wire nut. Now I know some guys have loved these gel-filled wire nuts. They're designed for outdoors. They're not my recommendation for something that's permanent. It's not quite as heavy duty and durable as a system that we would use. But Josh, what's your thought on this connection system?
Initially, I don't mind them, but what's happened in the past is a year later, 2 years later, I would go back to a job that had these wire nuts, and that grease will be completely dehydrated and white powder. And then you'll see the connection, the copper will start getting green. So I would use something different. I would use something with a silicone sealant. That's exactly what I'm talking about right here. It's just powder, and then the inner, that's part of the wire nut that came out. So you can see that connection in there.
So it's not a great, it held together, it's lasted a long time, but it's not a great connection. Josh, you want to go ahead and strip some of the wire back so we can see what the wire looks like itself? He's working live.
Oh no.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
So the wire is in pretty good shape. That's one beautiful thing about using stranded copper. This has got live voltage on it, but nobody cares. Not gonna hurt you. But this is wire looks like it's in good shape. Next thing is looking at wire depth. And the only way to really do that is just to pull some up. So it's not the depth that we'd really want to see. You're only about 2 inches down below grade. So I would recommend that it's put at code at 6 inches, but that's a judgment with the customer.